Om Sri Mahasakti. Vaishnava Devi Temple is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Vaishnava Devi located in Katra at the Tirikuta Mountains within the Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The temple is one of the 108 Shakti Peethas dedicated to Durga, who is worshipped as Vaishnava Devi. It is one of the most visited pilgrimage centers of India. Every year, millions of visitors visit the temple during festivals like Navaratri. The count even increases to 1 crore visitors. Vaishnava Devi temple is one of the richest temples in India. The temple is sacred to all Hindus and Sikhs. Many prominent saints such as Guru Gobind Singh and Vivekananda have visited the temple. The temple is at a height of 5,200 feet, 12 kilometers from Katra on Tirikuta hill. It is about 61 kilometers from Jammu city. There is no historical record about the temple, but there is a mention of Tirikuta hill in Rig Veda, the place where the temple is located. The temple of Ma Vishnu Devi could be reached only after strenuous uphill trek covering 12 kilometer distance. The cave, which enshrines 3 holy pindis, stone representation of 3 forms of energy, Guna, Sattva, Tama and Raja, which are Mata Mahesh Varavati, Mata Mahakali and Mata Mahalakshmi respectively. Although the source rock of Pindi is one, they all differ in color and texture, said to be denoting the color of goddess they represent. Slightly white for Mother Saraswati, to the extreme left, to the right is black of Mother Kali, and in the middle is yellowish red of Mother Lakshmi. Sivakori Mandir. Sivakori is a famous cave shrines of Hindus devoted to Lord Shiva situated in Sankar village, Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir in India. The Riyasi district, there are many shrines such as Mata Vaishnava Devi, Marhada Mata, Baba Dansar, Siad Baba. Sivakori is one of them which attracts lakhs of devotees annually. Sivakori is situated in between the hillocks of 140 kilometers north of Jammu, 120 kilometers from Uthampur and 80 kilometers from Katra. And light vehicles will go up to Ransu, the base camp of pilgrimage. People had to traverse about 3 kilometers on foot on track. Kori means cave and Sivakori thus denotes Shiva's cave. This natural cave is about 200 meters long, 1 meter wide and 2 to 3 meters height, and contains a self-made lingam which according to the people is unending. The first entrance of cave is so wide that 300 devotees can be accommodated at a time. Inside there is a naturally created lingam of Lord Shiva about 4 meters high, which constantly baths in a milky lime fluid dripping from the ceiling. Sivakori is also known as Home of Gods. The cave abounds with a number of other natural objects having resemblance with goddess Parvati Ganesha. The cave roof is etched with snake formulations. The water trickles through this on Shivalingam. A 3-day Sivakori Mela takes place annually on Mahasivaratri, and thousands of pilgrims from different parts of the state and outside visit this cave shrine to seek blessings of Lord Shiva. Keeping in view the increasing rush of pilgrimage to the holy shrine, the Sivakori Shrine Board has taken up a number of steps to develop this spot in a bid to provide more and more facilities to the devotees. Arrangements like electrification of cave with modern techniques, provision of oxygen and electric generators, exhaust fans, etc. Om Namah Shivaya. If you like this video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates about Darshan Chalo channel, please click subscribe button. Thank you.